Hello, this is Ashi from Crafting with Ashi and welcome to this video. This is the card I'm making today. I really like it, so let me show you how I did it. I'm going to start off with some stamping, and the stamp set I'm going to be using is this one called Best Year. I'm going to be using this stamp set, that is stamp that says thank you for all that you are. And I've got everything set up on my Stamparatus, and we're going to be stamping with Melon Mambo ink. So let's just ink up our sentiment, and I'm doing this because I've got a very small piece of Whisper White here in the Stamparatus, and this piece actually measures 3.5 by 8 centimeters, and this means I can sort of try and get it centered like that. So let me just clean off my stamp set because I find the pink ink Melon Mambo gets everywhere, so we don't want that. So can close that up and put that away, and while I remember, close up my ink pad before I stick something in it. Okay, and let's bring this back, and then I've got a piece here of basic grey, and this measures 8.5 by 4 centimeters, and we're just going to stick one to the other. So let's do that quickly. Just like that. Set that aside. Now I'm going to show you the die set we're going to use. So this is the Many Medallions die, and we're going to be using this big one here, and we're going to cut it out of some Melon Mambo cardstock. Now I like to cut things out with adhesive sheet, big dies like this, because I find it makes it sticking them down so much more easy. So this is some adhesive sheet, and all I'm going to do is peel off the back and then just place my cardstock down in the corner, sort of like that, and then I can just cut around the excess off. So let me get my scissors out. As I can see through this, I can just see where to cut. So there we go. That we can save for another day. That's just the transfer paper, and all I'm going to do now is put this on top here and wind it through my die cutting machine. So let me go and do that now. So that's our die cut out and all the bits taken out. So now we can start sticking. This is our card base. So this is a thick Whisper White card base. That's a standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And we're just going to stick this across. I think I used 4 of them before. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to stick. So all I'm going to do now is just peel this off and stick this down. Trying to get it straight, which I haven't. Okay, I think that's a bit better. That will do. So just wallop it down like that. Get rid of bits. Because it's adhesive sheet, you'll find bits just seem to stick to you, unfortunately. But it really does make it so much easier sticking your piece down, as you can see. And then we have this excess on the side, so we're just going to use our scissors just to cut off the end, the extra here. Okay. There we go. Now you can save that for something else or do whatever. You could even put it here. Look at that dimensional backing. You could even put it on the inside here. So let's do that actually. That's waste not, want not. Not very good today getting things lined up. I think at the moment it's because it's white on the white grid paper, and that's what's throwing me. There we go. So there you go. I've just used the inside, the extra bit in there, to give some decoration to the inside. And there's the outside. So, and of course you have this wonderful backing left, which, as I've said to you before, you can use this as a really nice stencil, so don't waste that. Okay, so let's bring back our sentiment, and we're going to stick this down with some dimensional. So let's get those on the back now. Okay. And I'm usually generous with the dimensionals, as you can tell. I'll take all these backings off. One thing I hate is taking dimensional backings off. Really annoys me. And then we're just going to put this down wherever you want. I think I'm going to have it there. But straight is useful. Just like that. There you go. Really simple thank you cards. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, I'd be grateful if you give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want any more information about this project, supply list, etc., it'll be on the blog post, and the links to my website, which has all my social media links and everything else, is in the description box below. So thank you once again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!